A very good morning, 7th class. As you know, we have completed this chapter, The Life in Desert Regions. We have studied the two deserts in this chapter, one hot desert and one cold desert. Hot desert, the Sahara Desert, and cold desert, the Ladakh Desert. Is that clear? Now today, we will we will study about both deserts through the map. Clear this one? Yes. So students, first of all, the Ladakh Desert. Before knowing about the location of Ladakh from the map, we will know when it came in the Union Territory. Okay, you can see this is here the head of the what? India. Okay, and listen students, Ladakh, this one is the area. So students, Ladakh was born from the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Clear this one? Students, you can also note down, this is the most important information about the Ladakh. Okay. The Union government decided to abrogate the special status of Jammu and Kashmir on August 5, 2019 and scrapped articles. Which articles? 370, okay, from Jammu and Kashmir. And Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill 2019 was introduced in the Parliament by the Union Home Minister Amit Shah in August 2019. The Parliament passed Act by which Ladakh became a new Union Territory on October 31st, 2019. Clear this one? Yes. So you can see in this map. First of all, location. We will get to know about the location. So students, location. Lying in the Great Himalayas. Ladakh is a cold desert located. Ladakh is a cold desert located on the eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. And it is bound by the Karakoram in north here and Jaskar range in the south. Okay. The average altitude of Ladakh range is 6,000 meter. 6,000 meter altitude. You know the altitude, meaning of altitude? Height above the sea level. Okay. And students, it was a number of passes such as Jojila. The word Ladakh means the land of passes, and Ladakh is also known as Khapa Chen, which means snowland. Okay. Look at this map attentively. And students, listen. Drained by the river, which Indus. Here you can see Indus River. It is drained by the river Indus and its tributaries. Shyok, Jaskar, Shuru and Nubra. Tributary means small river join the large one. Okay. And these rivers from deep valley and gorges in the rocky desert surface, and Ladakh has many glaciers. Okay, or for example, Gangotri Glacier. Here you can see Jammu and Kashmir, and this Ladakh here, eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir. Now it's a climate. Ladakh is extremely cold and dry. And since it is located on a high altitude, the air is so thin that the heat of the sun can be felt intensely. Clear this one? Okay, listen students. The heat of the sun can be felt intensely, and the area experiences freezing winds and burning hot sunlight. If you sit in the sun with your feet in the shade, you may suffer from both frostbite and sunstroke at the same time. Okay? The day temperature in the summer is just above 0 degree, and the night temperature drops below -30 degrees Celsius. And in the winters, the temperature may remain -40 degrees Celsius for the most of the time. Clear, students? And Ladakh falls in the rain shadow of the Himalayas. So there is little rainfall as low as 10 centimeters every year. So it depends heavily on rivers and glaciers for water. This region, however, receives heavy snowfall. So students, Ladakh falls in the rain shadow of the Himalayas. So there is little rainfall as low as 10 centimeters every year. It depends heavily on rivers and glaciers for water. This region, however, receives heavy snowfall. Clear this one? You can see the picture of Ladakh cold desert. So flora of Ladakh desert. Flora means all the plants growing particular in area. So due to high aridity, the vegetation is sparse. There are scanty patches of grasses and shrubs for animals to graze. Here you can see groves of willows and poplars are seen in the valleys. During the summer, fruit trees such as apples, apricots and walnuts bloom. So students, the flora of Himalayas, Kashmir comprises about 3054 species. The flora of Jammu district comprises 506 species. The fauna of Jammu and Kashmir is diverse due to its unique location and climatic condition. About 60% of the Indian mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians and butterflies are presented in the state. Now it's fauna. Fauna means birds, animals. Okay. So several species of birds are sighted in Ladakh. Here you can see black-necked crane, snow leopard, hangul, goral, musk deer, Pallas cat, Tahar, Tibetan antelope and wild yak. These are the common. Several species of birds, robins, red starts, Tibetan snowcock, raven and hoopoes are common. Some of these are migratory birds. Look at this. And students, Tibetan wild ass called yang and Tibetan antelopes are called chiru. And chiru is hunted for its wool, known as shahtoos, which is light in weight and extremely warm. These animals are reared for milk, meat and hides. Yak's milk is used to make cheese and butter. The pashmina, a soft and light wool, is obtained from the fur of the yak and mountain goats to make fine quality shawls. And students, do you know the finest cricket bats are made from the wood of the willow trees? And students, Dachigram is an important wildlife sanctuary in Ladakh. Look at this. Students, people in Ladakh. The people of Ladakh are Muslims or Buddhist. Some famous Buddhist monasteries are Hemis, Tikse, She and Lamayuru. Now cultivation. In the summer season, the people are busy cultivating what? Barley, potatoes, peas, beans and turnip. And the climate in the winter months is so harsh that people keep themselves engaged in festivals and ceremonies. They also make handicraft items or biu shawls and blankets. Tourism is very important economic activity. Many domestic and international tourists visit Ladakh for its scenic beauty and colorful festivals. Look at this. And listen students, Leh, the capital of Ladakh, is well connected both the road and air. And the students, though the life of people is changing due to modernization, the people of Ladakh have learned to live in harmony with nature. They use their limited resources like water and fuel very careful and do not waste them. So, this one is the lifestyle of Ladakh desert. Now we have studied about the Ladakh, location of Ladakh, climate, flora, fauna and lifestyle of people live in Ladakh. Okay. Now students, this one is the Sahara Desert. Look at the location of Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert discovers 11 countries. Location: Sahara Desert is located in northern part of Africa. It covers 35 lakhs miles square. It is the largest desert in the world, run through 11 countries. The desert is said to almost the size of United States. Where is the Sahara Desert? Students, the Sahara Desert located in the northern Africa. How big the Sahara Desert? 3.3 million square miles. 25% of the entire continent of Africa. Almost the size of the United States of America. 3.7 million square miles. What countries of Africa have the Sahara Desert? 12 countries. They are Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Eritrea, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia, Liza. What is the Sahara Desert like? 70% regs. What are regs? Plains of large red, white or black gravel or sand. 20% of regs. What are regs? Sand sea. Dunes of sand that are typically associated with any desert. Final 10% of unique features. Hemads, elevated plateaus of rocks and stones. Wadis, temporary water resources fed by rain and typically found almost. Himalayas or mountains, home to the most of the Sahara Desert trees and bushes. Charts, large depressions that fill with water during the winter rain months, fill with deposited salt throughout the spring and summer months. Oases, small, typically isolated area of vegetation that surrounds the natural vegetation. What animals are found in Sahara deserts? Camel, deathstalker, ostrich, horned viper snake, addax, dung beetle, monitor lizard. What are some plants found in the Sahara Desert? Down palm tree, date palm tree, acacia, fig tree, olive tree, African peyote cactus, welwitschia. The Sahara Desert. These are the resources. So students, you can see through the map the Sahara Desert here. This is the largest hot desert of the world, and it is the third largest desert after Antarctica and the Arctic, which are cold deserts. This is the equator. This is the middle line of the earth, and this one is the Tropic of Cancer. Here the Tropic of Cancer passes through the Sahara Desert and also India, the middle line. So students, do you know the Sahara Desert is almost 3 times of the size of India? Listen, the 3 times size of the India. Here India. India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. So you can calculate. So look at the map of Africa. Sahara Desert is spread over almost the whole of northern Africa. The Atlantic Ocean lies on its west. Here, this one is the Atlantic Ocean, and Atlas Mountain and Mediterranean Sea on the north. and Red Sea on the east, and Sudan, and the valley of the Niger River on the south. You can see through the map. This one is the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn. In the northern hemisphere, Tropic of Cancer, and the southern hemisphere, Tropic of Capricorn. Sahara Desert here. These are the hot deserts. So students, now we have studied about the desert regions. We have studied one hot desert and one cold desert, the Sahara Desert and the Ladakh Desert. Okay, and also we have studied the location, flora, fauna, and lifestyle of both regions. Both region means the Sahara Desert and the Ladakh Desert. Okay, so you will watch this video attentively and also the previous video also, and read the chapter, and you will also solve the exercise yourself. Clear this one? Now chapter is over. I think you got it. So students, thank you and have a nice day.